Hey yo, something came in the mail today. These nuts! Hello everyone, welcome to this very special video. Today we have the beautiful PlayStation 5 in this box, or I hope it is, I haven't opened it yet. I've been waiting to open this all day. I've had some uni lectures going on, so it's really been annoying, but I cannot wait to open this. Even my delivery driver knew how much I wanted this.
Hello mate, you alright?
Well, don't be people waiting.
I'm all excited for this.
It's very important, isn't it?
Yeah, have a good day.
But obviously before I open this box, we are having to pack away the PlayStation 4. I'm gonna miss you, okay? You've done a lot for me.
The gun game hip-fire challenge.
That's a full damage. He doesn't feel
RJ, what's good? Let me pull up to you.
Alright, so today we are gonna try and get with extended mags, 45 bullets in a mag.
Build where you flipping mong.
Scanning for Mexicans.
There we go. Yo, you did squats. Yeah, no, you got some attitude, Timmy. You need to watch your mouth.
Oh my god, what a goal! From that far out. German left mid. Royce! Royce! Royce!
Jump! Get Yoda, get Yoda!
All the treasured memories we've had together. Thank you, PlayStation 4. Sorry about that, I dropped the camera. The PlayStation obviously does not want to go anywhere. Okay, we should be seeing the PlayStation logo now. Oh baby, looky here. There we go. Look at that bad boy. He's bigger than my head, mate. It's huge. LAKEY 7, good thing I'm over oh fuck. I've ripped the box already. Flip it over. Ready to reveal itself. It's like a sandcastle. Look. Boom. Lightning speed. Breathtaking immersion. Stunning games. Play like never before. Oh, unfortunately for many of you watching this video, you cannot play like never before because this console is literally so hard to find. I'll tell you a little backstory before we get into it. So, September comes around. It's release day for the consoles. Every single console is gone, other than the Argos. They didn't release theirs until a day later. So I spent from about 12 till 2 in the morning on a Friday night trying to get this bad boy. 2 o'clock in the morning I finally given up until this beautiful postman arrives. He woke us up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't know what he was doing at 5 in the morning. And then my dad goes downstairs, logs onto the computer and secures the bag. I know my brother stayed up really late on the first night. Vinny got the second batch and he had to stay up really late as well. But let's point out the obvious here. The PS4 just gets dominated. Look at these boxes compared to each other. Boy, it's a thick boy. I haven't been gymming ages. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. The whole thing's white, other than this little logo here. Woo. Hey yo, this packaging smells good. When the packaging smells good, like you get fresh trainers, you know it's a good product. Okay, I can see the bad boy. And we have a plug here. This beautiful object I will not be using. I believe this makes the PlayStation go this way instead of horizontal. I won't be using this. Here we go, here's the bad boy itself. This is the PlayStation controller I will be using for how long? Incredible, incredible. Okay, my god, look at it, look at it. It's mad, it's mad. Okay. Woo. It feels incredible. It feels a lot thinner here. I need my other PlayStation remote. Look at the difference, look. This looks so futuristic compared to this, it's incredible. These thumbsticks feel so fresh and just, the buttons. Obviously now we don't have the colours anymore that you have on the old PS4 remote. Look at it in all its glory, it's beautiful. The PlayStation button is also a proper PlayStation button, it's not a circle anymore. Okay, here's the big reveal now. Wow, wow, wee, wow. This is heavy, my guy, it is heavy. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Okay, Ben, play your first reaction to the PlayStation 5 reveal trailer, play it. Oh shit! Oh my god, look how futuristic that looks. I have an obsession. I smell everything, honestly. I have an obsession with smelling. So before we do the big reveal, I have got changed into my brother's PlayStation jumper. Look how cool this is. Doesn't fit me, it smells good. It smells very good, but just to celebrate the occasion, the PlayStation 4 is here. Look at it, okay? Read it and weep. And this, we have pre-ordered this as well. Packaging's great. Oh, fuck. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it's heavy. Look at it. That's great. You can put your finger in there. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Look at it. The buttons are so different. PlayStation 4. Oh, you gotta feel bad for him. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. What? He get tanked. This is Akin Fenwa, Romelu Lukaku, and this is John Joe Shelby. Alright, the thing that I've been interested to see and feel for myself is the in-between here, this bit here. Oh, it feels good. You can just see those sparkles. There we go, look, you can see those sparkles. They are very, very small symbols. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. So please give me some ideas in the comments. I'm running out of ideas, and your feedback is really, really useful on the channel. I love to see your comments and reply to them. And yeah, thank you for watching PlayStation 5, baby. Have a nice day. I can't reach.